Hello friends, today we will learn the coordinate geometry. We know in coordinate geometry to locate a point we need two axes, x-axis and y-axis. The point which lie on x-axis is away from y-axis and it has got the value of x coordinate or abscissa. Similarly, the point which lies on y-axis has got the value of y-axis, y coordinate, and it is away from x-axis. The value of y coordinate is called ordinate, abscissa and ordinate. In today's video, we will learn how to find the distance between two points when they lie in coordinate axis. Number 2, we will find how to get the coordinates of point which is dividing two given points in a specific ratio. The ratio will be given to us and we will have to find the point of intersection. And third thing that we learn in today's video is to find the area of triangle when 3 points are given to us and they are making a triangle. All these things will be learned in the coordinate geometry. Let us begin with first topic, that is distance formula. Distance formula art. Look at the figure. Here 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. They are given to us. The coordinates are given. We have to find the distance between A and B. Now from figure, draw AP perpendicular on x-axis. Similarly, BQ, it is also perpendicular on x-axis. Similarly, from point A, we drop AC perpendicular on line BQ and which is intersecting the line BQ at point C. Now, OP, look at the figure. OP is equal to distance x1, OQ is distance x2. Therefore, we can calculate PQ as x2 minus x1 and PQ is same as AC. Therefore, we have got AC is equal to x2 minus x1. Now, BQ. BQ has got the value y2. CQ has got the value y1 which is same as AP. From these two, we can get the value of BC as BQ minus CQ which is equal to y2 minus y1. This is the value of BC. Now look at the right angle triangle ABC. By using the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse AB square is equal to base AC square plus perpendicular BC square. And now we are going to put the values of AC and BC. We have AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, it is the value of AC, and plus y2 minus y1 whole square, it is the value of BC. In this way we have AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And this is the distance between the points A and B whose coordinates are respectively x1 y1 and x2 y2. This formula is called the distance formula and we say distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have to remember this formula properly. In this formula, when one point is origin whose coordinates are 0, 0, then the distance formula reduces to distance OA is equal to x square plus y square because the second coordinates are 0, 0. So, distance of a point from origin is square root of x square plus y square. Second thing, distance formula can also be written as AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Means we are replacing x1 and x2 and y1 and y2. It can be x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. The whole square gives the same value. Distance remains same. It is AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now we solve a few sums based on the distance formula. Question 1. Find the distance between the points, first part 1, 3 and 1, 2. We mark them as A 1, 3, B 1, 2. So the distance formula is distance AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The values x2 minus x1 means we have to subtract the abscissa of A and B. It is 1 minus 1 whole square plus similarly the difference of ordinates of A and B means 2 minus 3 whole square and total square root. It becomes square root of 0 square plus minus 1 square is equal to square root 0 plus 1, that is equal to square root 1 or equal to 1. It means distance AB is 1 unit. Second part, the points are A minus 7, 5, B 1, minus 4. Their distance will be same, the formula square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And putting the values, distance AB becomes square root of 1 minus 7 square plus minus 4 minus 5 square is equal to, it becomes 1 plus 7 whole square plus minus 9 square. It is equal to 8 square plus 9 square under the root is equal to 64 plus 81 square root is equal to under root 145. So this distance AB is under root 145. Next sum is A x, 0 and B y, 4. Applying the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root, we get abscissa's difference is y minus x whole square, and it is solved by using the identity y square plus x square minus 2xy. In the second bracket, the difference of ordinates becomes 4 minus 0, which is equal to square of 4 only, and it is 16. So for the present question, the distance between A and B will be under root y square plus x square minus 2xy plus 16. In this way, by applying simply the formula of distance, we can find the distance between two given points. Let us proceed further towards sum number 4. A 7, 1, B 3, 5. So the distance will be, first write the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root. So it becomes 3 minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square under the square root is equal to minus 4 square plus 4 square root is equal to under root of 16 plus 16. It is under root 32, and which has got the factors 4 into 4 into 2. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32 under the square root. 4 comes out of the square root and we get 4 under root 2 is the distance between the points A and B. So the next sum number 5, where A point is origin 0, 0 and the B point is 4, 8. And we have done the distance of point from origin is x square plus y square under root. So we write AB distance is equal to under root of 4 square plus 8 square is equal to under root 16 plus 64 means under root 80, which has got the factor 16 into 5. 16 comes out of the under root by making it 4 under root 5 is the distance. So the distance between points A and B is 4 square root 5. In this way, you can also do the sums of distance formula from your course book. For any queries, write to us in our comment box. Work hard and stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.